What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jake here, aka BrusHstroKeZ. Today I wanted to show you how I seal my canvas paintings. So this is just a little canvas painting that I did. As you can see, there's no sealer or nothing on it right now. And I want to get this sealed up and protected. So what I use for all my canvases is Createx Autoborne Sealer, the transparent sealer. I really like this stuff because it's extremely durable, and it leaves a really nice sheen on it too, where it's not super reflective, but also adds a little bit of depth to it as well. So let's just take a good look at it as it is right now. That way you can get kind of a good look at it. Just kind of see the sheen, what it has on it now, what it looks like. And with this, I'm using my trusty LPH 80. I think I got it all set up here. We got it set up 2 turns out, and I always run it around between 15 and 20 PSI. I do have this reduced about 10% roughly. So I'm going to run about 20 pounds of air pressure for this stuff. And then I'm about halfway out on the fluid here. So we'll go ahead and make our first pass, get my mask on here, and get our fans turned on. Alright, we got our first coat down. We're going to let that sit about 10 or 15 minutes to dry nice and good, and we'll come back for our second coat. Alright, so it's been about 15 minutes. Let this dry so you can see the sheen on it now and how it's all nice and uniform. One coat would probably be enough if this is just going to be a wall hanger, but I do some car shows, motorcycle shows every year, at least a handful, so my artwork goes in and out of boxes. So I'm going to put another coat on here just for a little added protection. So I'll get masked up and we'll go ahead and get that applied. Alright, got our last coat on. Make sure it's nice and wet all over. Alright, that's going to be our last coat. We'll let this dry and I'll come back and show you that final sheen on it. Alright, so it's been about a half hour, maybe 45 minutes or so now. Fans were on high, so this had plenty of time to dry. So this is basically the final sheen that you get with it. once it's dried. I don't know, I really like that sheen. It's just enough that, you know, the light doesn't take away from the artwork, yet adds a level of depth to it as well. So that's all I had for you today. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something. If you have any questions, please drop them below in the comments. And if you don't already, please subscribe and hit that like button if you found this video useful. Till the next one, keep those brushes stroking.